Hi everyone guys, welcome to our tech room. Today in this video we will be talking about how to change thousands and decimal separator in Google Sheet. Changing separator in Google Sheet sometimes is very necessary. Suppose when you import data into Google Sheet from CSV file, Excel or any other sources, then it is possible that Google Sheet may fail to display the number and instead treat the data as a plain text. In addition to that, if there is any sort of calculation involved, then Google Sheet may provide you with an incorrect result or will give you an error. So for this you have to set proper separator. If you want to have correct separator in Google Sheet, then you are in the right place. Our tech room will guide you to set a desired thousand and decimal separator in Google Sheet for you. For this, the steps are very simple. Here for demonstration, I am using one of the sample data. Here we have an amount column with dot as 1000 separator and comma as decimal separator. This document is using span local because in the span 1000 are separated with dot and decimal is separated with comma. Now if you want to have comma in a 1000 separator and a decimal or dot in a decimal separator, then click on file, click on setting, then change this local from span to United States, and after that you have to click on save and reload. Here it is clearly mentioned that the formatting does affect only on a function date and currency, and also it is necessary to note that change in locality does not affect in a change in language in a Google Sheet. So keeping that in mind, just click on save and reload. Now we can clearly see that the 1000 separator have a comma and a decimal separator as dot in the amount column. So also we can get correct calculation at the bottom here. In this way we can change the 1000 and decimal separator in Google Sheet. If you want to have a sample of local and amount sample, you can come to this link. Here we have provided the list of popular local and the example here. I will provide it in the description. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and click on bell icon so that you will never miss any updates. Thank you.